Hey guys, I got this Litex all-weather Claire from 2001. I would have made this thing. It was made in 2001. I got this at the race store the other day. I pulled poetry in this thing. Nothing happens. I don't know if you can hear anything at all, but yeah, does nothing. So if anyone knows what's wrong with this thing, let me know. I'll actually take a look at the inside here in a minute. So, as you can see here, the capacitor is just dusty. It's probably been out here for like 24 years. On that time. There's like a little, it's probably just marks, probably just stickers. But like, that's the capacitor's nothing wrong. It could be that, but the fan would probably, I don't think we'd be doing that. So if you excuse me, if you look right there, there's absolutely nothing in there in that whole slot. I don't know. Here, let me turn on the light so you can see better. There we go. So hopefully I don't know if it's like the pole chain's probably this thing's messed up. I could see that. So maybe it might need a new pole chain. But let me know you guys' thoughts.